Elon Musk has made some pretty shocking statements in the past, and Tesla stock investors haven't flinched. This time, Elon Musk made more shocking statements that might actually surprise Tesla stock investors, and certainly those investors that are not convinced about Tesla are going to be shocked at Elon Musk's statements. So I'm going to reveal what Elon Musk said, the CEO of Tesla, and why this statement is so shocking and so surprising given where Tesla stock already stands today. So let's take a look at the details. Hey everyone, I wanted to take a moment to thank the sponsor of this video. Moomoo is a trading platform that allows individuals to buy and sell stocks and other investments. I posted the link to Moomoo in the description below. If you use that link to sign up to Moomoo, it'll help support my channel, but more importantly, you can get special incentives for using my link, including up to extra 10 free stocks. So the statement I want to emphasize from Elon Musk is about autonomy, and it's saying, I really just can't emphasize the importance of autonomy for the vehicle side and for autonomous enough. I mean, he even says the numbers might sound crazy, but it takes the valuation, I think, to some pretty crazy number. And that crazy number, according to ARK Invest, Cathiewood, Elon Musk is throwing that number out there and saying 5 trillion. And I think they're probably not wrong. And longer term, Optimus, I think it achieves a valuation several times that number. So if $5 trillion valuation seems crazy to some Tesla stock investors, Elon Musk thinks the valuation will reach several times that number, several times. And I will highlight that Tesla stock price is already expensive. It's already trading at 10 times the valuation of other car companies and more expensive than some of the hottest AI companies today. But according to Elon Musk, he thinks the valuation is going to 5x, perhaps 20x from where it is today. And Elon Musk has not been shy about boasting about Tesla's company and about hyping up and trying to influence and increase the share price without delivering much in terms of value, in terms of profits and cash flow. But this number, this might be the highest valuation I've seen Elon Musk suggest here. And like I highlighted earlier, I have Tesla stock here compared with Ford, General Motors, Stellantis, and Nvidia, just to demonstrate how expensive Tesla stock already is compared to this group of companies. And this makes Tesla stock overvalued, regardless if you think of it as a car company or a tech company. So that argument, regardless, still feels Tesla stock is overvalued. Now, you could see here Tesla trading at a forward price to earnings of 65. Nvidia is trading at less than half of that valuation at a forward price to earnings of 30. So even if you consider Tesla a tech company and not a car company, which by the way, right now, more than 75% of Tesla's revenue comes from selling electric vehicles. So you would have to make a big leap forward and assume that Tesla achieves all of these things that it has long promised and delayed, like driverless car technology, like robotics and others. You would have to assume that is a given, that it's for sure going to do that, and it's going to for sure become a tech company. And then, even at that point, even if you assume all of that, Tesla stock is still more than twice the valuation of Nvidia, a company that is already a tech company, a company that's already massively benefiting from rising effectiveness from artificial intelligence. And then, if you're still not convinced about the fact that is Tesla a tech company or is it a car company, if you compare it to its peers like Ford, GM, Stellantis, Tesla is more than 10 times as expensive as the next highest and 20 times more expensive than some of these peers. Car companies are not attractive, right? I've talked about this for years now and all of the reasons why car companies are not an attractive investment. Excuse me. And so it's not surprising to me that Tesla and Elon Musk tries to convince investors that they're not a car company, because you can see car companies are not valued that robustly. Forward PE of 5.65 for Ford and 4.4 for General Motors and 3.3 for Stellantis. Tesla doesn't want that valuation. That would be less than 1/10 where it currently sits. And you can see Elon Musk actively trying to boost Tesla's valuation by telling investors, look, think of us as an AI company. Think of us as a robotics company. Think of us as anything other than a car company, even though more than 75% of our revenue comes from car sales. And so I find these statements to be surprising. If they were to come out of anyone other than Elon Musk, I would be more surprised. But since Elon Musk has been so boastful about the valuation and has tried to hype up the valuation of Tesla stock, I'm not as surprised as I would otherwise be. But investors should take note of this valuation premium that already exists in Tesla stock. It's already trading as if it is a tech company. It's not trading like a car company. There are few people like myself that are suggesting that Tesla stock is overvalued. The market overall believes Tesla stock is achieving all of these things, right? It's trading at a forward PE of 65. So it's already assuming all of those things into that valuation. Otherwise, why would it trade at double that of Nvidia and more than 10 times that of any other car company? So the market's not pricing Tesla as a car company. The market doesn't think that. The market's already convinced that Tesla is on. It's a tech company, and it's a tech company with even better prospects than Nvidia. Okay, so the market is already there. So pretty shocking statements from Tesla and Tesla stock investors. Might be surprised to see this, but it's nothing new from Elon Musk. Did you know that over 90% of the people that watch my channel are not subscribed? It'll really help support my channel if you hit that subscribe button. And oh, by the way, one of the benefits of being subscribed is that I take requests from subscribers more often than I do from non-subscribers. So if you prefer that benefit, please subscribe to the channel.